Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, sir, we are from group 1. We will presentation about pragmatics as a segment in final project introduction to linguistics. Before we start our presentation, let me introduce our member. Name of member group. There is Clara Anindya Ningrum, Dinda Syukrina, and Tasha Amaria. Next, we will start our presentation. First material about background of this research will presented by Tasha Amaria.
Okay, thank you. I will read the material is background of this research. Language cannot be separated from human life and is a tool for communicating with humans. In addition, language also plays in an important role in the communication process between humans to live in society and carry out their activities. Language also has an important role is in every human life. Women interact and communicate with a human using language. The form of language use can be done orally or in writing. In everyday life, in communicating, spoken language is much than used than written language. Next. Topic of research. Speech art problem is the most important problem. There over every communication, both verbal and written, can be interpreted appropriately if the non-linguistic factor, which include the condition of the situation speech, interlocutor, topic of conversation, and so on. A speech that produced by the speaker must have a certain purpose and function. Speech can be used by anyone and anywhere, but both in formal and informal situations. Back to moderator.
Okay, thank you to Tasha. Next, we will move to the next of material. Will be presented by Clara Anandia.
Okay, thanks, moderator. I will try to explain the next page is data analysis. The formulation of the problem is the first, how are locutionary speech arts in surrounding environment? The second, how is the locutionary speech art in surrounding environment? When speaking, written or spoken, speakers must always pay attention and consider the presence of a number of factors that will influence the choice of the form of language used. For example, in the Padang State University, the form of language used always consider the suitability of who is speaking, where the conversation takes place, when the conversation takes place, and many other consideration, as well as for written language. Next. The determining factor in the speech as a component of speech events, Suyono, 1991, the component of speech event in an integrated manner will affect the choice of the form of language that will be used by someone in a speech or language action.
Okay, thank you to Clara. Next, the last of material is conclusions. We are presented by me. So, locutionary speech art or speech art to state something as it is. Someone who needs information and coincidence, the information they hear means that the information has automatically been obtained from the speech of others. By using pragmatic analysis, the intent and the purpose of the speech events can be identified by observing the speech situation accompanying it. States that the speech situation is a situation which gave birth to speech. Okay, that's all from our group. I am as a moderator. Forgive us to our mistakes. I apologize to our mistake. Thanks for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.